So we're here today with Don Lynch, a very amazing gentleman who is teaching me so much about how I can take care of my own health and do things to alleviate pain and make my body better and all kinds of things. I know I'm going to learn so much. I don't know what else I'm going to learn, but I know it's going to be a lot. So we put together a bunch of questions for you, Don. And the first question I have is, what was the path that led you into emphatic healing, and how did it lead you in the direction of tuning water?
It wasn't a conscious decision. Like one day I just said, oh, I'm going to start emphatic healing. No, it was a gradual thing. No clearly defined path in my life. In reality, it was a convoluted tour through my life, and it only became more highly defined after several near-death experiences. As far as the empathy aspect of me, I would say that I was always empathic. I could communicate and understand people on a profound level from a very early age, and manifested it in several ways. But as I became older, had the near-death experiences, my life became more clearly defined about the direction, and it became more obvious to me that I had this ability to connect at a profound level, at an even higher level as I matured. And as far as getting into the healing aspect of my life, it was all based around those near-death experiences and the crushing of self-limiting beliefs. As is commonly known, there's thousands of people around the world that have near-death experiences, and when they come back, they're just not the same. They're not the same people. And the exception is people coming back and getting back into their same lives. The reality of it is that when they come back, they're not the same person. And their beliefs, their perspectives about life have changed, because everything you thought you believed and knew before is no longer your reality. Your reality is much more than that. The reality about the human being is that we're basically gods on this planet with this experience, and we're powerful beings, and we're much more than we're consciously aware of. As far as the water, looking back on my life, here I am, I'm a Pisces. I mean, I had a close drowning experience when I was young. I always enjoyed the water. I loved being out in the water by myself. I enjoyed water sports, and water had always been, on the margins, the periphery of my life. And then, as I matured and moved to Puerto Vallarta, Mexico, and actually living on the edge of the Pacific Ocean, I was closer to water than I've ever been before. And I consequently was drawn to free diving and had 3 near-death experiences in the water.
Wow.
And wham, bam, thank you, ma'am, here I am. I am suddenly a more higher conscious being, and that was what pushed me over the edge as far as connection to water and how it runs through my life. And I'm still amazed, even to this moment in my life, how water historically has played a role in the human evolution. And recently came into contact with more information about Mary Magdalene, who washed the feet of Jesus with water, and then she ended up having her own gospel, the gospel according to Mary, which was suppressed. And actually, that was suppressed by the Catholic Church, but there's other churches out there that recognize the gospel of Mary. Yeah, that was all about, if you look at Mary's pictures or paintings through history, I mean, she always has this jar of water, and she washed the tears of Jesus with the feet of Jesus with her tears and wiped them dry with her hair. I mean, water is like, wow.
Yeah.
Wow. I mean, come on, people. We have to really get some deep appreciation of water, not only about how water holds energy and that, but the more profound aspects of water. You know, there's much more to water than all we're aware of.
Yeah, definitely. I'll testify to that later.